JEE Main 2026 aspirants, stop guessing your dream branch. New data from IIT Roorkee proves that electronics and communication engineering is now the definitive top choice after computer science. Over here at Careers 360, we are covering this particular news, which says that JOSA Counseling 2026, Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee's ECE cutoff rose from 1424 in 2024 to 1486 in 2025. Moving ahead, let's see what they have more to say. So, the Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee closing rank for Electronics and Communication Engineering ECE shows an increase as compared to the last year's ECE cutoffs. The IIT Roorkee ECE cutoff rose from 1424 in 2024 to 1486 in 2025. Okay, moving ahead, the most opted course by candidates in IIT Roorkee was Computer Science and Engineering, and 26,725 candidates opted for it. For IIT Roorkee admissions 2025, a total of 1,353 seats were offered, of which 278 seats were allotted to female candidates. IIT Roorkee's CSE closing rank for 2024 was 481, and for 2025 it was 592 basically. Now, according to IIT Kanpur's Joint Implementation Committee JIC Report 2025, a total of 24,904 students opted for IIT Roorkee's ECE program, followed by Electronics Engineering at 22,252. Moving ahead and talking about, as per the JIC Report 2025, a total of 27,697 students opted for CSE and 23,503 chose Electronics Engineering at IIT Delhi. The least opted program was BTech in Design, with only 3,173 candidates opting for IIT Delhi admissions. Herein you can have a look onto this particular table. The ECE closing ranks at IIT Roorkee as compared to last year cutoff shows an increase. The category-wise closing rank as per the Joint Seat Allocation Authority Counseling Committee, it's been given below over here to you people. Have a look. Talking about the open seat type, gender neutral, the closing rank for 2025 it's 1486, and the closing rank for 2024 it was 1424. Talking about for the open category, female only including supernumerary, so the closing rank was it's 4,788, and the closing rank for 2024 it was 3,590. So this 4,788 is the closing rank for the year 2025, and I'm talking about for ECE basically, this particular branch. Moving ahead, for open PWD category, the closing rank for 2025, if you are talking about, it's 86, and the closing rank for 2024 it was 69. Rest you can have a look onto this particular table. The link of this article will be provided to you in the description box, dear ones. Okay, over here let me also talk about the JEE Main 2026 IIT Roorkee CSE cutoffs basically. So over herein you can have a look. The IIT Roorkee's closing rank for the most opted CSE program is as follows. For the open category, gender neutral, the closing rank for the year 2025 it is 592, and for the year 2024 it was 481. For female only open category it's 2047 for CSE, and it's 1870 for the year 2024. Open category PWD candidates closing rank it is 25 for this year 2025, and for the year 2024 it was 18 basically. Rest you can have a look onto this particular table. So dear ones, what I literally want to talk about is that the trend is clear. Top ranks are chasing ECE, driving the cutoffs rank higher. Use this JOSA data to set a precise rank target for JEE Main 2026, and subscribe now for more IIT cutoff strategy breakdowns.